Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use live voice translation. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use the live voice translation, then there are like different ways to do so. If you're using a smartphone, you can go and tap open your Google Translate or your Samsung Galaxy AI or Pixel Live Translate. You can simply select any of the live translators, and you can simply go in a web and search for a third-party application as well, or any website. So now you can simply go and tap on these. So once you have done this, you can simply tap on the speak button and hold it. So once you start speaking, it will now ask you for permission to record what you're speaking. So once you simply start speaking, it will start typing on your screen, and once you stop, it will simply translate it into the language you want it in. So this is how you can use live voice translation. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.